Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So it's been all rainy here, then why not for a hot cup of cake? Yes, come on, let's get into the recipe. So we'll start with the chocolate mug cake first. For that I have taken 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. To this I am adding 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You can add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil as well. To this I am adding 3 tablespoons of milk. And combine all this together with the fork. So it's all well combined now. Mix this without any lumps. So to this I am adding 1 cube of dark chocolate. This is completely optional. So now let's microwave this for 1 minute and 20 seconds. So we move on to the vanilla cake. For this I am adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, one-4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 3 tablespoons of milk. So combine well with the fork. So this is well combined now. To this I am adding some chocolate shavings and microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And our cake is ready now.